So we have here a problem, medyo mahirap na problem about dryers. So let us go with the problem. A dryer produces 1,000 kg per hour of product containing 2% residual moisture from, so ibig sabihin, this is the product na, dried product na to. Yung lumabas sa dryer. Okay? Containing 2%. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya bone dry. Net weight siya. Meron siya residual moisture from 20% in the feed. Nilagay mo siya na 20%. Okay? Leaving air from the dryer is 120 degrees Fahrenheit dry bulb and 60% RH. Apart from the waste, humid air is mixed with fresh air. So, at supply na 92 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% RH. Yan yung makukunin nyo sa steam table. Ngayon, para hindi kayo mahirapan sa steam table, i-ano nyo to, i-gawin nyo na siyang degree Celsius. Okay? Parang shift, convert. Convert natin siya ng Fahrenheit degree Celsius. Okay. Fahrenheit. Ilang Fahrenheit yan? 120. Ang kukunin mo dito, para sakto. Okay? Kaya lang pag ganito, mag-ano ka? Interpolate. Hirap. Diba? So later, this mixed with fresh air, hindi naman nagbago yung RH. Okay? The air mixture of 100 degrees Fahrenheit dry bulb and 65% RH is heated by steam. So, yan yung pumasok doon sa heater. I-trace mo. To 200 degrees Fahrenheit in the reheater before entering the dryer. So, meron ka pang reheating. Neglect heat loss to the surrounding. Calculate the following. The required flow of heated air mixture to dryer, the fan capacity, yung Q, the heat requirement in the heater in kilojoule per hour, and the percentage of outside air required. Okay? So, punta tayo dun sa diagram. Yan, yung diagram natin. Meron siyang balikan. Reheater reheating. Recirculation ng heating. Okay? Pag sinabi sa problem, reheating, ibig sabihin recirculated yan. Okay? It is supplied at this point, wag natin sundin yung mga ONH dyan. Okay? Gawin natin itong 1. Okay? Gawin natin itong bago pumasok at 2. Gawin natin itong 3. Wag niyong pansinin yung 1 ha. O, cover ko para hindi kayo malito. Okay? Cover natin para hindi kayo nalilito. 3. Tapos, ito, 3 pa rin naman to. Same lang naman yan eh. Tapos 3 pa rin ito. Okay? Ilagay natin. Sabi dito, okay, burahin ko yung mga nakalinya. Sabi dyan that, okay, 92 degrees Fahrenheit yung fresh air. Fresh air, okay? Ibig sabihin galing sa labas. 92 degrees Fahrenheit tapos 92 degrees Fahrenheit tapos yung RH niya is 60% RH. Yan yung hahanapin mo ngayon sa steam table. Okay? Hindi naman ako magbibigay ng ganyan para pahirapan kayo. Okay? Gawin natin na hindi na kayo tawag dito? Steam table. Okay? Pag psychrometric, tignan nyo ito sa psychrometric chart if you have a psychrometric chart. Okay? Mag-psychro ka na lang, 2 points naman na eh. Diba? Meron kang relative humidity tapos meron kang dry bulb temperature. Now, sabi dito that yung heater mo, meron kang Q. Q on the reheater. Tapos, meron sinabi dito na 100, ayan. The air mixture of, saan nagkaroon ka ng air mixing? Okay? Dun sa recirculation ng air mixing mo. So, on the recirculation, meron kang 100 degrees Fahrenheit dry bulb and 65% RH is heated by steam coils. So, papasok dito yan. Okay? At this point, meron kang 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 65% RH. Yung steam coil mo will be heating it up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Papasok dito sa reheating. And then, sabi dito, the dryer produces 100 kilograms per hour of product containing 2%. Dito sa M5 yan. So, 1,000 kilogram per hour with 2% moisture. Okay? Tapos, yung wet feed mo, 20% moisture. Ayan. So, ito, makukuha natin. At part 1, yung moisture remove, gawin nating let. Okay? Let X yung amount ng wet feed. Hindi natin alam eh. So, ibig sabihin that is the gross weight. Okay? Or the gross weight dun sa wet feed. Okay? So, dito, moisture ko is 20%. Okay? 20% moisture. So, ibig sabihin, yung gross weight natin is equal to bone dry weight plus moisture content na 20%. Okay? So, ilan yung bone dry weight nito? Kung 20%, ilan yung bone dry weight dun sa gross weight? 80%. Tama? So, this will be the wet feed. Okay? X. So, gross weight yan. Ang kailangan ko, bone dry weight. Tama ba? The bone dry weight in is equal to the bone dry weight out. Tama? So, this is 0.8. Bakit, sir? Moisture minus 20% yung sa wet feed mo. Okay? 20% is on the wet feed. So, ang bone dry weight mo is 80% of the gross weight. Correct? So, 80% nung X equal to yung bone dry out 1,000 kilograms tapos 2% moisture. So, ibig sabihin, ang bone dry weight mo is 98%. Tama? Nung 1,000 kilograms. So, this is 1,000 kilogram per hour tapos 100 minus 2. Or, naka-percent to or 1 minus 0.02. So, X will be equal to 1,000 times 0.98 divided by 0.8. Ilan yung bone dry or yung gross weight mo? So, that is calculating the value 1,000 times 0.98 divided by 0.8. 1225 kilogram per hour. Yan yung ifinifeed mo sa kanya dun sa drying chamber mo. Okay? Now, what will be the amount of moisture removed? Okay? Moisture removed. So, itong X minus yung wet feed. Ay, hindi. Yung, anong tawag dito? Product. Okay? Dried product. So, mass of dry product. So, itong X kasi is gross weight. GW. So, 1,225 minus 1,000. Ano yung moisture remove? That is 225 kilogram per hour. Yan yung moisture that is removed. Basic lang naman yung mga ganyang problem. Now, at psychrometric chart, bigay ko na yung value. Hindi ko na ipa-plot, ha? Okay, psychro chart. Yung 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 65% RH. Okay, you may plot or pwede rin naman steam table. Oh, kapag nag-RH plot ka tsaka yung dry bulb plotting, what will happen? Ang ibibigay sa'yo dyan, tandaan nyo, this is recirculation. So, yung dito, omega 2 and omega 3 is equal. Equal lang yan, di magbabago. Okay? So, you say that W2, specific, okay? Heat, specific humidity, SH. Okay? W2 is equal to W3. Ipa-plot mo yan eh. Hanapin mo. So, ang bibigay na value sa iyo dyan is 0.0275. 275 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. Sir, kung i-compute ko naman to, yung W2 is equal to W3, for steam table, 0.622 pressure ng vapor over PT minus PV. Take note, yung PV kasi makukuha mo yan sa pressure saturated at the dry bulb temperature 3. Okay? Times RH. O dyan makukuha. Okay? And yung PT simply is equal to atmospheric. Okay? Kung mag-steam table solution ka. Okay? This is for plotting. Okay? Next. Hanapin mo naman yung H. Paano mahanapin yung H? H niya for plotting, lumabas is 108. H3 is 108.73 kilojoule per kilogram. Sir, paano naman kapag steam table? Pag steam table, H3 is equal to CP, dry bulb temperature at 3, plus yung omega 3, tapos yung Hg at dB3. Okay? Kapag hindi alam, meron ding formula dyan, yung may 1.8 plus 2,000 something. Okay? Sa ako na i-feature. Yung parang tansya, estimation. Okay? So, ito yung another formula. Kapag steam table, for plotting, ito yung kanyang H3. Next one. Hanapin mo si at 120, may bigay ba ditong 120? May binigay ata ditong 120. Ito. The leaving air from the dryer. The leaving air from the dryer is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Nasaan yung leaving air from the dryer? Ito. 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 RH. 60% RH. Okay? dB at 3. H3. Okay. I think 100 degrees Fahrenheit to H2 ito, hindi H3. So, H2. This H2 and then H2. H2. Ang kukunin ko ngayon at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and RH 60%. Okay? Binigay na naman niya para plotting. Kumuha na ako ng notes para Hindi na mahirapan. So, that is 0.4. Lagay natin dito. This is 0.4. Mm-hmm. 4. Tanggalin muna natin yung mga notation niya para hindi kayo nalilito. Yan. So, this is W4. Dalawang point. This is 0. No, tanggal sa aking. Okay. 0.0465 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. Okay. Tapos yung H. Okay na yan. So, at yung isa, 200 degrees Fahrenheit dito. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Hindi naman nagbago yung kanyang W. Ayan. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Ito pa rin yung value niya. Plot mo ulit. At 200. Okay. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And W2 is equal to W3. 0.0275. Okay. 275 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. Ano yung magiging H niya dyan? H3. H3 is 169.59 kilojoule per kilogram. Sir, meron pang isang mahahanap ka dyan. Tandaan nyo na papasok na sa fan. Okay? Meron ka ditong Q of the fan. Okay, tapos yung power ng fan. Kailangan kunin mo yung specific volume ng air at that condition. So, the specific volume of the air is, mapaplat mo rin yun, 1.0846 meter cube per kilogram. So, plotting to. Plotting at chart. Saang chart? Psychrometric chart, ha? Hindi Molière, ha? Kasi air. We are talking about air. Now, for the moisture removed on the materials, remove. Anong formula ng moisture remove? So, this is MA. Mass of air, tapos W4 minus W3. Sir, saan ka nagkaroon ng moisture remove? Sa 3, dito, tsaka sa 4. Okay, tumaas kasi yung ano niya, tumaas yung temperature. So, at 3, 200, bumaba yung temperature. So, ibig sabihin, nag-cooling, kinuha yung tubig. Nag-absorb yung tubig, inabsorb yung air. So, this will become, okay, ano yung mass ng air mo dyan? Okay, this is equal to, ano yung moisture remove mo? 225. Ayan. This is the moisture content na tinanggal mo. So, MW is equal to MA W4 minus W3. So, MA is equal to MW over W4 minus W3. So, yung 225 kilogram per hour divide by W4. Yung W4 natin, 0.0465 minus W3. Okay? 0.0275. 0.0275. This is kilogram air. Kilogram vapor over kilogram air. So, matitira, ito kilogram air din to eh. Kilogram, vapor pala to. W. Yan. So, cancel ito. Cancel ito. Ang matitira, kilogram air per hour. That is the mass of air. So, MA is equal to 225 divided by 0.0465 minus 0.0275. So, the answer is 111,842.1053 kilograms of air per hour. So, meron bang tanong dyan na nasagot tayo? So, the fan capacity, required flow of heated air mixture in the dryer. Check. Number 1, check na tayo. The fan capacity. Yung fan capacity is Q. Fan capacity. So, this is Q. Fan. Sir, saan ba equal yan? O, multiply mo lang ng mass yung specific volume. So, this is mass of air times V3. So, the mass of air is 11842.1053 kilogram air per hour times, yun nakuha natin, 1.0846 meter cube per kilogram air. Cancel same units. This will become, times ko na lang to ng 1.0846. Check nga natin kung tama yung sagot. O yun, tama. 12843.9474 meter cube per hour. Okay. Dalawa na yung na-solve natin. So, burahin ko isa-isa. Kaya. Okay, burahin natin. So, check na ito. Check, and then check. The heat requirement in the heater. Dito naman yung Q sa heater. So, for the Q heat, okay, for heating requirement, for heating, Q heater. That is, ano yung ininit mo sa heater? Yung mass ng air. Mass of air. Tignan mo dito. This is, meron kang H3. Meron kang H2. Okay? Additive. Lahat to palabas. Ito papasok. So, H3 minus H2. H3 minus H2. Q of heater is mass of air 11842.1053 kilogram per hour times yung H3 mo is 169.59 minus H2 108.73 kilojoule per kilogram. Cancel yung kilogram, lalabas kilojoule per hour. So, 11842.1053 times 169.59 minus 108.73. The answer is 710.5286 kilojoule per hour. Yan ba yung tinatanong? Tama. This is for the heating. Last one. So, check na natin heat requirement. The percentage of outside air required. What is the percentage of outside air required? Okay? Balance natin lahat. Yung outside air, tandaan nyo, balik tayo dito sa ano. Ito yung outside air. Mass of outside air. Meron ka ditong mass of recirculated air. Tapos dito, mass total ng air na yan. Okay? So this will become by 4 air percentage okay? Heat balance tayo. Heat in is equal to heat out. So, mass of the outside air, tapos meron kang given ditong temperature. Okay? Temperature at outside. So, T1. Plus. Okay? Yung mass of the recirculated air, mag-a-add dito yan. Ito, total to eh. Total to. Okay? Mababawasan dito. Yung mass on the heater, MH. MRA, recirculated. Okay? Papunta dito. Palabas. Okay? So, this will be MA, mass, MA tuloy. M nung recirculated air, M, R, air, minus MO. Sir, bakit? Kasi total to eh. Ito. Total yan. Tandaan nyo, parang ganito yan, no? Dalawang in, isang out. Okay? Dalawang in, isang out. Okay? Equal yan dun sa anong temperature yan pag pinagsama? Saan tatama yung temperature na to? Sa dulo. Temperature 4. Tama ba? Temperature 4. Dito. Dito rin yung lalabas. Temperature 4. T4. T4. Equal to yung heat out, the total mass of air, tapos, nakita nyo ba? At this branch, anong temperature? Temperature ni 4. Okay? Dito, temperature ni 1. Dito, temperature ni 2. So, equal to, para hindi kayo malito T2. Mass of the reheater. Tignan nyo to para hindi kayo malito. Burahin ko to. In here, dito lang naman ang focus natin eh. Dito yung focus natin at this part. Okay? So, dito, magkakaroon tayo ng mass ng outside air, temperature ni outside air. Dito, meron kang mass ni recirculated, tapos temperature ni recirculated. Okay? Tapos, in here, magbabranch out ka. Itong MR4, di mo na makuha basta-basta yan eh. Di ba ang MR4 is total nito minus MO. Tama? Wala kang binigay kung percent to eh. Para ma-solve mo. Okay? Meron kang magiging mass dito. So, mass of the heater. Dito yung mass na recirculated. Tandaan nyo, mass outside plus mass ni recirculated equal to M ni heater. Kaya, para ma-solve ko si recirculated, MR is equal to MH minus MO. Kaya nangyari is ganito. Hindi naman sinabi kung anong percentage siya ng total. Di ba? On the recirculation naman, sa mga problems, past problems na finature ko, binibigay siya as percentage of the mass. Pero dito, since walang binigay, algebraically, you represent it na part of a whole. Okay? So, again, ito yung pinakamalaki mo dyan, kasi parehas papasok tong dalawa eh. Okay? Parehas papasok to. Magto-total tong dalawa. Magto-total to. Tama? In order for you to get MR, ito yun. Yung mass na pupunta sa reheater, yung heater, minus yung mass outside ng air. Okay? Tapos, syempre, ano yung temperature na habulin nitong heater na to? Hindi yung 200. Saan siya nagmula? 120. Kasi papasok pa lang siya ng reheater eh. Hindi siya affected dun 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Pinag-uusapan natin, yung nasa labas ng reheater. Pumasok as T4, pumasok as T1, o ayun ang maging temperature dito, T2. Tama? Kaya maganda, mayroong drawing, bilugan mo yung diagram para hindi ka nalilito. Okay? So, getting here. Okay? Ang hinahanap is the mass or amount of percentage of outside air required. Okay. So, MO, wala tayo nun, MO, yung temperature 1 natin is 92 plus yung MR. May given bang MR dyan? Wala. MR. Minus yung MO. Tapos yung T4 natin is 120. Yung mass ni heater, okay, wag ng MA to. MH yan. MH. Nagbigay ba ng mass sa heater? Pumasok as 100 na yan eh. 100. 100 or 1,000 ba? Mas wala pala. MH, tapos 100. Ayun o, pumasok siya as 100. Para hindi ka malito. 92, 100, tsaka 120. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So, algebrain na natin. So, 92 MO plus 120 MR minus 120 MO equal to MH tapos 100. Okay? So, MA. Teka lang ha. Dapat recirculated din yung isa. Okay? MR. Dapat to MR din. Yan, MR. MR. Yan. This MR din. MR. Ayan.